Welcome to Statistics My Passion, and here we are discussing the question number 5 from MST 002 IGNOU PGDAST course. And the question for before starting this, I want to share something. So we are providing here the complete paid assignments. So kindly DM on my WhatsApp number 900-936-8238, which is showing on your screen, and we are providing also the coaching and tuitions also. And the question 5 is use graphical method to minimize the added to process the following jobs on the machine shown. So here this job 1 is the sequence A B C D E, and the time is given here 3426, and the job 2 sequence and time is given here, and calculate the total time elapsed to complete both the jobs. So if you want to see the answer and you want to know the all the answers in a PDF form or a solve assignments, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching this video.
If the universal set of u 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and a is equal to 2 3 6 7 and b is equal to 4 6 8 and c is equal to 6 7 8 are the subsets of u, then verify De Morgan's law and left distributive law. So first one is De Morgan laws and state that so a union b and dash is equal to a dash intersect b dash, and a intersect b dash is equal to a dash and union b dash. So these are the two formulas of the De Morgan's laws, and now one by one we verify it. So to verify a, first of all we have to find the a union b. A union b. So how can we find the a union b? You know that the set theory. So how can all the numbers in the given a and b are called a union b, not the same numbers. So apart from the same numbers, all the numbers are here a and u, a union b. Now a union b dash, a union b dash is the numbers who are not included in the numbers of the main numbers universal set. This is called universal set u, and 1 and 5 is not included in a union b. Now a dash and b dash, how to find a dash and b dash? So we have given a here 2 3 6 7, so those are the numbers are not given in the a are called a dash, yes, and b, those are not given in the b are b dash, yes. So a and b dash, uh, after finding the a dash b dash, a dash intersect b dash. So a dash intersect b dash means the common numbers in the a dash and b dash. So 1 and 5 are the common numbers in a dash and b dash. Now we said that here a union b dash is equal to a dash and b dash, because we can see that a dash intersect those are this one and this one is 1 5 1 5 is both similar, hence verified second one. So for second one, we said that a union b dash, a dash union b dash, hence verified. A, first of all, a intersect b is 6, a intersect dash is 1 2 3 4 5 7 8, a dash union b dash is 1 2 3 4 5 7 8, and we see that here a intersect b and dash is equal to a dash union b dash. So hence verified. If you know the set theory, so you can easily found it, because this is the level of the 10th level, you can easily find it. How can we? So it means that there are the two types of, this is called the union and the intersect. Union is called, means we have the numbers of two sets. Suppose that we have given the two sets a and b, and in the a the numbers and b the numbers, both are the, all the numbers are included in the a union b, but a intersect b is called the common numbers in the a and b. A intersect b is the common numbers of the A and B. So we have to write only those numbers who are common in the A and B. Yes. Now the distributive law, we can say that the rules of the distributive laws, the A in union B, so this can also be very easy to find after the finding B intersect C and everything. So after the finding value you can verify easily. B intersect C, 6 8. So you can see here all the process how I verified all 2 points. So hence verified. So now it is completed. Any confusion you have, please comment on the comment box, and this would be very helpful for me. If you any doubts, thank you so much.